Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Are you tired of clutter? Do you dream of an organized home, a streamlined office, or a perfectly labeled school project? Well, get ready, because the Rongta Bluetooth Label Maker machine is here to turn those dreams into a beautifully labeled reality. This isn't just another gadget. It's a game changer for anyone looking to bring order and efficiency to their life with style and absolute ease. Let's kick things off by talking about what immediately blew me away: the incredible portability and smart design of this little powerhouse. Forget those bulky, old-school label makers that hog desk space and feel like a brick in your hand. The Rongta Sticker Label Maker weighs in at a mere 0.39 pounds. That's half the weight of many competitors. It's so compact, it can literally slip right into your pocket or a small bag, making it the ultimate companion for on-the-go organization. Think about it. You can be labeling spice jars in the kitchen, then quickly move to organizing file folders at the office, or even tagging school supplies in the classroom, all without skipping a beat. This freedom to print anytime, anywhere, truly redefines convenience. Plus, with its integrated NFC technology, it intelligently identifies the paper size and even auto-rewinds, saving you time and guesswork. It's these thoughtful touches that make using the Rongta such a smooth experience. Now let's talk about the printing itself, because what's a label maker without crisp, high-quality labels? The Rongta utilizes BPA-free direct thermal technology, which means one fantastic thing: no ink needed. That's right, you can say goodbye to expensive, messy ink cartridges forever. This thermal label printer is equipped with high-speed chips and a sharp 203 dpi resolution, ensuring every label comes out with high-definition clarity. Your text will be clean, your barcodes scannable, and your images surprisingly detailed, all in a classic black and white finish. But it's not just about the inkless convenience. This device is built with a durable, rechargeable battery that keeps it going for a long time on a single charge. No more scrambling for AA batteries mid-labeling session. While it prints in black and white, Rongta also offers colored label supplies, letting you add a fun pop to your organization without sacrificing the inkless benefit. It's smart, eco-friendly, and incredibly efficient, making it one of those cool gadgets that genuinely makes life easier. But what truly sets the Rongta Bluetooth Label Maker apart is its incredibly user-friendly experience combined with a treasure trove of creative functions and templates. This isn't just for printing basic text, it's a canvas for your creativity. Getting started is a breeze. Simply download the Our Label app, available on both iOS and Android. Install your paper roll, connect via Bluetooth within the app, choose a quick template, and you're ready to print. Seriously, it's that intuitive. The Our Label app is where the magic really happens. It's packed with over 30 fonts and a massive selection of templates, allowing you to create stunning, custom labels with text, QR codes, barcodes, materials, images, timestamps, and beautiful borders. Imagine generating a QR code for your home Wi-Fi password for guests, or printing an inventory barcode for your small business, or even personalizing school items with unique designs. The possibilities are endless. The app makes designing your own labels not just easy, but genuinely fun, transforming mundane tasks into creative projects. From organizing your kitchen spices and food storage, to decluttering your office with perfectly categorized files and notebook tags, to personalizing school supplies for kids and teachers, the Rongta is your go-to solution. It's more than just a label maker. It's a tool for transforming chaos into order, enhancing your daily efficiency, and adding a touch of personalized flair to everything you own. Stop letting clutter win, and start taking control with a device that's as smart as it is stylish. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your organization, boost your productivity, and add a seriously cool gadget to your tech arsenal, then the Rongta Bluetooth Label Maker machine is an absolute must-have. It's portable, powerful, eco-friendly, and incredibly fun to use. Don't just dream of an organized life. Make it happen. You can find the link to grab your very own Rongta Label Maker in the description below, along with links to the recommended label tapes for the best printing experience. Go ahead, click that link, and start labeling your way to a more organized, happier you.